Hello friends, in this video I am going to answer the next questions. Question number 1. Is Google the best search engine or should we use another one? Yes, I agree that the best search engine is Google. Google is still the most preferred search engine after evaluating the results. Many people agree with this, as Google has become the best search engine. Google had a surprising growth and in technology, and today it is the best search engine. On the other hand, all people are free to choose which search engine to choose. For example, many people use other browsers. The important thing is that each person is happy with their search engine. Question number 2. Cell phones and smartphones, are they safe for use? Yes, I agree with this. When we buy a phone or cell phone, we make sure that is it very expensive and has many applications. Many people, when they buy a phone or smartphone, verify that the phone has a lot of security to protect our personal data. Today, the cell phone has become a basic need that every person must have. Many hackers try to enter our personal data. That is why the cell phone industries have developed very secure devices. Question number 3. Explain how science and religion can coexist. Science and religion are very different, but they share tongues with different conclusions. Science considers and is based of experimental observation. This type of observation is organized through methods, models, and theories in order to generate new knowledge. For this, truth criteria and a research method are previously specified. The application of these methods and knowledge leads to the generation of new knowledge in the form of concrete predictions. Religion is the result of the human being's effort to contact the beyond. Religion's experience provides a global explanation and interpretation about the world. Traditional religions are based on an intense ceremony of exchanging the living with their ancestors and in turn with the spiritual world around them. Question number 4. Should children use a smartphone? I think they should definitely not use phones or smartphones because it affects the brain development of children. Brain development caused by overexposure to technological can accelerate brain growth in babies between 0 and 2 years of age and be associated with executive function and attention deficit, cognitive delay, learning disabilities, increased impulsiveness, and lack of self-control. It also affects the delay in the child's development. Excessive use of technology can limit movement and constantly academic achievement, literacy, attention, and abilities. Question number 5. Is online study more effective than traditional? Studying online is a trend that many are opting for as digital tools facilitate interaction between students and teachers from anywhere in the world. However, face-to-face education also has its advantage. We present the pros and cons of each modality. The difference between studying online and doing in face-to-face is very personal decision that requires a priori reflection process by the student to detect their own new needs, defects, and abilities. I think traditional study is better. Question number 6. How has TV brought cultural decadence in our country? Television is very important since it has allowed us to reach a full understanding of the reality of the world. The importance of television in the socialization process of children and young people and of all members of society are related to the quality of the content of the education, informative, and entertainment programs they transmit, and also of the advertisements that influence the consumption habits of the population. In our country, television is very important means of communication. Question number 7. Are people with a mathematical mindset more successful? I don't think that all people have the ability to accomplish many things. Studies showing mathematics help the brain to persuade neurons and to function more smoothly. Many people play table sports such as chess since that games make them very smart. Stories show the importance of studying mathematics because it shows the ability of people that thinks. We are all the same and have the same capacities. Question number 8. Do you believe that economically space travel is worth the cost? I think it is worth it, but we record what is the objectives of space travel. Space exploration designates the effort of the human being to study space, and it starts from the scientific point of view and its economic exploration. This effort may involve both human traveling in spacecraft and satellites with telemetry resources or remote weather provides setting to other planets. It is very important to follow search methods that allow the human being to have more discoveries. Question number 9. Genetically modified children hazard and benefits? I disagree with the intended practice. Children are innocent people who have still lived what some of you have lived. It is important to indicate that experiments with children can end their lives. Many people need to know the importance of experiments being carried out on animals. The only benefit is that people can reach research conclusions. It is very dangerous to use people's lives to experiments. Question number 10. Should people go to Mars? I agree, but not in its entirety. Travel to Mars has now become an almost unattainable achievement for ordinary people. It is the truth that people to the future will have to travel to other planets in search of life. People must understand that currently there is no equipment and physical capacity for people to travel to another planet. Perhaps in a few years, traveling to another planet will be like traveling to another country. See you in the next video. Bye!